Oh my goodness.
The family of 5 aboard the doomed tourist helicopter that plummeted into the Hudson River on Thursday was in New York City to celebrate the birthday of one of their 3 young children. Shortly after takeoff, the pilot radioed to warn they were running out of fuel. Minutes later, the chopper spiraled uncontrollably into the murky waters of the Hudson. Agustin Escobar, his wife, Mercè Camprubi Montal, and their 3 young children, ages 4, 5, and 11, along with the unidentified pilot, were all killed. The family had just arrived in the Big Apple from Barcelona, Spain, to celebrate the birthday of one of their children. Before their doomed expedition, Escobar, along with his wife and children, were seen smiling in front of the doomed Bell 206L4 Long Ranger 4 helicopter in gut-wrenching photos on the New York Helicopter Tours website. The investigation into this devastating crash continues,